This logo design is for coffee brand. Watch the video till the end. This client description is given by vidIQ. Important points are highlighted. Let's research now through Google and Pinterest. After many inspiration, sketch few of them on the paper. If you like sketching, you can use this technique. After sketching few of them, a mind map is created as shown on the screen. Let's start using the pen tool on the sketch. In this I like two sketches, so I will try both of them. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe for more videos. In my channel you will see there are different types of logo design series, and we have also created a famous logo design. So please go on my channel and have a look all the videos. In this logo we have created letter A with the star, and then I will be creating a coffee mug with two coffee beans. So let's move on to the second sketch. This is also created using a pen tool. In this logo, we have created letter A with connecting star. With the help of ruler tool, we will place them equally. After creating, select one by one and go to object and expand the fill and stroke. So you can see both logos monogram. Comment me which logo monogram you liked it. Now we will try different types of font. Before that, we will expand each and every image. Now let's move to the font selection. In the first logo, I have selected Lato font as it is serious by friendly and perfectly match my first logo. In my second logo, I am using Futura to indicate modernity and efficiency. So this way both logos are created. Comment me which logo you liked it in the comment box. Now we will be using orange and blue color, which is contrast between warm and cool, and it grabs attention. Here we will be using a coffee mug or bottle mock-up, which is downloaded from FreePic. Let's move on to Photoshop and open this file in the Photoshop. Then double click on the smart object, copy and paste the logo from Adobe Illustrator to Photoshop and save the file. As FreePic offers free version, so generally it is easy to use. This is the final look. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more such videos. Till then, thank you for watching.